Sometimes when you buy a scale model, the panel lines are not really all that great. The body is painted in white, and those panel lines are of course painted in white as well, and sometimes don't really give the desired look. You can use Tamiya panel line accent color to help fix this, highlight the panel lines and just make them a little bit darker to create that shaded look. You can also use this to weather stuff, but in this case I'm just going to go over the panel lines. On the inside of the cap there is already a nice brush that can be used ideally to apply this. You just gently drop it into the bottle itself and then start applying it carefully one by one on the panel line itself, and it pretty much runs through the entire panel line, filling it up with the black panel line accent color. In this case I'm just highlighting the black accent color, but there are multiple other colors available as well. Once you're finished applying the panel line accent color, just set the model aside to cure for about 30 minutes and then move on to cleaning off the excess material. I just used some Tamiya thinners and a cotton swab. Carefully just dip it into the thinners and start applying it on the excess material. Let that soak in a little bit, and you can mostly remove it with a cotton swab, but also a toothpick might help as well for the finer detailing. So here's the after and the before as well.